Hi guys, welcome to Tech and Office. Today I am going to unbox Xiaomi's Redmi 5A 3GB RAM and 32GB inbuilt memory 7500 rupees phone. The phone's display size is 5 inches and the back camera is 30 megapixel with flash. The front camera is 5 megapixel and it has 3GB RAM, 32GB inbuilt memory. External memory is up to 128GB and the battery backup is 3000 mAh. The software, Android version used in this mobile phone is MIUI and the processor is Snapdragon 425. Make sure that the seal is intact. If the seal is broken, never open this case and make sure that you return it as soon as possible. So let's unbox the phone. Okay, this is the phone Redmi 5A. This color is rose gold, and let's see what else is coming in this box. One is catalog about the phone and another one is the details about and warranty details of all those things which is included with the phone. So next one is this is a USB data cable, and yeah, here we get the adapter to connect with the USB data cable to charge the phone. And next one is a punch pin. So using this punch pin, we can open the slot of your SIM card and memory card. In this there is first SIM which is nano SIM and the slot for memory card, and there is another slot which is for second nano SIM. If we have a second SIM, then only we need to use this slot. That's why they have made it for convenience. So now let's switch it on. This one is its power button and its volume control button. This is front camera 5 MP, and here it's back camera 30 megapixel and a flashlight. And here is the headset jig and USB charging cable and microphone. I bought it for, actually my grandfather bought it. He used to use this ordinary phone and now he has a little bit eyesight problem. So he purchased this so that he can we can put the big test in it and he can see it clearly. Yeah, so first we have to select the language. Next one we have to select which country we are from. And next one is about which keyboard we need, Gboard or Google Indic board. Now I am going with Gboard. Here already we have network, that's why it's showing the which network you want to select. I am skipping this. Next is the terms and conditions they are given to us, and this is about after only we can do this after inserting the SIM. So now I have inserted SIM into this phone, and there were a lot of other apps, but I moved them to folders, and I highlighted main two four apps into the phone because I want to give it to my grandfather. And this one is the contact option, and I enlarged the text also in it, and messaging option in which the text is also large. And next one which I moved into folders are the phone icons, mi videos, mi com, and the calendar, file manager, cleans. And in Google folder there are Google Chrome, Gmail, Maps, YouTube, and etc. In tools option you can see the screen recorder, FM radio, scanner, mi roaming, downloads, calculator, contacts. In Microsoft option folder you can see Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Skype, Notes, Gallery, phone play. and Facebook, PhonePe, and Netflix were already there when I switched on the phone. And I downloaded WhatsApp from Google Play Store and installed it into the phone. Next one, you can get this customize option in which you can put some shortcuts about features and popular apps, and you can type brief notes and store in the phone within this option. And next one is calendar events, in which we can insert any details into calendar for reminders or anyone's birthday or any other functions. And next one is call a cab. If you have Ola service nearby to your place, you can use this service. Another one is cricket. If you have a favorite team, you can add its name into this, and you will get the details about that team and any updates about the teams. And on the top, you can see this weather report and mobile data network, Wi-Fi, torch, and silent mode and brightness adjustment. And here there are more services like screenshot, Bluetooth, brightness, flight mode, lock mode, rotation of the screen, GPS, and you can sort all these icons as you wish here. And rest of them are same like any other smartphones. So I don't think you all need me to go through all those options. So I think, yeah, that's it. So thank you.
Back camera 13 megapixel and front camera 5 megapixel. 7,000 rupees phone. So I hope you guys enjoyed my Redmi 5A unboxing video. Please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thank you.